Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim, and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below, so you can have an easier time getting in. And looking at one of the newer features in the box of the truck, here you have your 2 kilowatt Pro Power on board, so you can use your truck as a sort of generator for your tools and equipment. And you have the rugged tailgate with measurements, holes for your clamps, and just being generally more durable. Looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then you have 2 cup holders in the middle with a 12 volt USB and USB-C and 120 volt power outlet. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, and a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the truck with it running, and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your fuel economy, trip 1 and 2 information, eco coach, auto start stop status, and your now playing. Then you have your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine information, and seat belts. Then you have your towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around the vehicle, as well as My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screens, you're hopefully not going to get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, Power on board, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch view so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for, you have normal, tow haul, eco, and sport mode. And then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, we have a 12 volt and 120 volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. Then moving down from your climate controls, you have a USB and USB-C in there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears and can be collapsed out of the way for more space in the open here. Then you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. Then looking back, last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.